Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to crop a picture in circle in PowerPoint. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, here we need to insert that picture which we want to crop in a circle shape. Just go to insert and click on picture, then click on this device, and here we need to select that picture. It is in my download folder, so I just need to double click on that photo, and now let me resize it a bit. And now from shapes I'm going to insert a circle, but to draw a perfect circle we need to hold shift key. Okay, that's how you can draw a perfect circle. Now right click on the circle, then here you will find the option for fill. Just click there and set it on no fill. Now we are going to move this circle to the face of the picture. So this circle is looking good. If you want to adjust your circle you can do that, but this size is perfect for me. And now this time is to crop our picture according to the circle. Just hit right click on the picture, then you will see the option for crop, and from here we can easily crop our picture according to the circle. Just see the circle edge. Okay, so this is the circle edge. I'm just going to crop the photo from all sides. Okay, now just click anywhere else and move your photo from the circle and hit Ctrl X to copy into your clipboard. So the photo is now copied into our clipboard and we are going to paste it on the circle. But before that we need to hit right click on the circle edge, then you will see the option for fill. Again just click on the fill, and in the texture option you will see the option for more textures. We need to click there, and in the picture or texture fill you will see the option for clipboard. Just hit there and boom, there you go, the photo is into our circle now. Now you can easily resize it according to you, but make sure to hold shift to maintain the perfect circle. So yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can crop a picture into circle shape. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate that. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.